M12 CNC double table cutting equipment. It adopts 9 kW intelligent tool-changing spindle, new generation operating system, plus absolute value drive and motor. 30 original guide rail. Equipped with 12 straight tool medicines. Intelligent tool change can be realized. The most important feature of this equipment is the extended body. The dual-station CNC cutting machine features the work surfaces. While one station is processing a sheet of material, the other station can simultaneously load and unload materials, can directly increase your work efficiency by 30%.